So your theorem machine, full theorem machine is within this. So if you like to learn the theorem machine, you have to see this automobile. See the actual your four-wheeler, how cylinder, multiple cylinder is connected to get that high torque. Now I'd like to show you another slider gun mechanism which is used in the engine. Say this is the animated view, not the actual one. Previous one was the actual. This is the animated one. Now it will be more clear. Multiple slider gun mechanism. So this is the shaft, this is the crank will rotating here, then this is the connecting rod. So this is the shaft inbuilt with the crank. So this portion is called the crank, this portion. This portion is act as the crank. So this is the connecting rod piston, that is act as a slider. You can see the spring also to open the valve and close the valve. A cam, you just see the use of cam also. You can see the how it looks like the cam. And you cam, you see the contact between the two cam. This is called cam. The black color is the cam and follower. What type of contact with the follower? It is the line contact. See, simply it is line contact. So that is higher pair.
Sir, what type of mechanism is used for cam and cam follower?
Cam follower itself a mechanism. No, cam and follower is the mechanism, name of the mechanism. Cam and follower name itself is the mechanism name.
Okay.
Look
so
at
which part
carefully
is
the cam
follower?
Portion, very interesting portion cam.
So which part
It's
is
a
the follower?
mechanical automation, mechanical automation. When there is no electronics, that time automation has been taken place using the cam. See the cam. See, this is the cam. This profile is called the cam. This is called the follower. See the cam. There is a line contact. You see, there is a line contact. So this is an example of below this slider gun mechanism that I like to show you. So this one slider gun, this is another set of slider gun, this is the third set, the total fourth set of slider gun mechanism is used in this particular animation. This is a 4-cylinder engine.
Yes, sir. Inline 4.
Hmm. So I like to stop with this particular slide. Now here I like to explain that kinematic pair you understood, then kinematic combination of kinematic pair joint in such a way the relative motion of any point on a link with respect to any other point on other link follow a definite law, then it forms a kinematic chain. That means series of links are connected through the joint. In between two links it is called pair, and it is total thing is basically kinematic chain. Now, kinematic chain again classified into two groups. There are the closed kinematic chain and open kinematic chain. Till now, the two examples I have mentioned, 4-bar linkages is the example of the closed kinematic chain, where all links are binary type. So the last link is also connected to its first link. But in theory machine, we learn the mechanics of closed kinematic chain. But there are another type of kinematic chain is called the open kinematic chain. Open kinematic chain means last link is singular link, and all the robotic mechanism or robot is basically based on this particular configuration, open kinematic chain. You see, this is the last link of a robot or robotic mechanism. It is connected to its previous link here, but this end is a free end. This is not connected. So that is why this robotic mechanism or robot manipulator designed based on open kinematic chain. Now mechanics of open kinematic chain you will learn in robotics class. So robotics is nothing but a theory of machine, but that machine or mechanism having open kinematic chain. So that configuration is different, nothing else. So in theory of machine, we restrict ourselves within the closed kinematic chain, and in robotics, we learn the open kinematic chain mechanics. So clear? So that is why one gate question I have mentioned here. The gate is very important. Open kinematic chain mechanism finds application in slide diagram mechanism. Answer is not, because slide diagram mechanism is a closed kinematic chain, and it is used only the robot manipulator. Neither this one, I will show you these two afterward. So correct answer will be the robotic manipulator. Now we just see another gate question I like to show you here, that select the correct statement. A round bar in a round hole form a turning pair. A square bar in a round hole also form a turning pair. Is it possible the square bar can be inserted in the round hole? So, and the square bar in the square hole forms a prismatic pair, and your vertical shaft in footstep bearing forms comparatively constant motion. Now it's difficult for you most probably, but select the correct statement. Now also at this stage also you can say correct statement. That means try to find out which one the false one. Now one by one, whether number one, round bar in a round hole form a turning pair, whether it is correct statement or false statement.
Correct.
Correct.
Correct, sir.
If you put the round bar in a round hole, round bar in a round hole, hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It can form both turning pair as well as the cylindrical pair. So that's why turning pair it is correct one. Round bar in a round hole. So this statement is correct. That means.
So please present your screen is not visible.
Which one is not visible?
Your screen, sir.
Your screen.
Slide, sir.
Same problem for all of you?
No, sir. It's visible, sir. Pin that screen. Pin that screen. It will be visible.
Okay, then I will send it to it's.
Sir, perhaps you have stopped presenting.
No, oh, I just I have already shown this. Still, I have to show you. People living. So, whether it is closed kinematic chain or open kinematic chain.
Open.
This is example of open kinematic chain. This is a robot. Basically, robot. Robotic manipulator.
Onik, please stop.
Kinematic chain and in kinematic chain, if one link is fixed, then that is called mechanism. All mechanism having one link is fixed. For example, here this base is fixed.
Sir, can't see.
Then
Please present your screen.
Sir, please present.
All of you pin search screen.
resume somehow
Resume.
has been gone case.
Yes, sir. Now it's okay.
Yes. No.
Okay, sir. Okay. Roger.
Okay, sir.
Now you can see
Yes, sir.
previous video.
Yes, sir.
You might see in the video, no? The only thing is after that, this one you are unable to see.
Yes, sir.
Now the kinematic chain, there are the two: closed kinematic chain, open kinematic chain. Closed kinematic chain, all links are binary or above, but open kinematic chain, last link is your singular link. Last link is singular link, and robotic manipulator is designed based on so that robotic manipulator, this one is designed based on the open. The last link you just see, last link is free. Now question I like to mention here, we like to restrict ourselves within the mechanics of closed kinematic chain, and in that particular kinematic chain, if one link is fixed, then it is called mechanism. Now which particular statement is correct one? So this is one gate question. So
one is
select the correct statement. One by one go. Round bar in round hole may form the turning pad. It's correct statement. Square bar in round hole is meaningless. Square bar in round hole is basically meaningless thing, no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
cross it is the wrong statement. It will not form the turning pair. It is a meaningless thing. But as per my knowledge, it is a meaningless.
Yes, sir.
Square bar in square hole. Prismatic pair can
True,
be
sir.
formed?
Yes.
Turning pairs.
Yes, sir.
Sliding pair.
Yes. That means wherever 1 and 3 is there, 1 and 3, here 1 and 3, here 1 and 3, here 1 and 3, here 1 and 2. That means this is discarded, no?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
out of this, and 2 is also discarded and
Even
is
C is-
also eliminated. That means out of these 2. But at this stage, you cannot say, but I just a vertical shaft in a footstep bearing form a completely constant motion. It is false statement that you learn afterward. That means answer will be your B.
B.
1 and 3. The B will be your answer.
Sir, what is footstep bearing?
That I'll tell you. That I'll tell you next class. Okay. So I just I should put this question after that class, but by mistake I put here. Okay, thank you for. I like to conclude here. Do you have any query?
Sir, that open chain, I didn't understand.
Open chain, I just mentioned here that in open chain, last link is singular link. In closed kinematic chain, all link, there is no singular link. Singular link means a link connected to only one other link. Now you remember open closed kinematic chain, there is no singular link. There all links are either binary or above. It may be ternary, quaternary, but there should not be any singular link in open kinematic chain because it is in a closed kinematic chain. There should not be any singular link in a closed kinematic chain because chain is closed. That means last link is also connected to its previous link as well as the base link.
Okay,
But
sir.
in open kinematic chain, last link is singular link. That means it is connected to its previous link only. That other end there is no node, no links.
So basically, that link will be stationary.
Now that link not stationary. That link will also move, but it will not connect it to your base link. The last
Okay,
link you just
Say,
you just see here example, and robotic manipulator is
Yeah, robotic manipulator was an example.
now I'd like to show you the example. You just see here that link is not connected to the base link. Last link is not connected to the base link. It is connected to only its previous link. For example, you just see a robot manipulator. You see,
Yes,
it's
sir.
open kinematic chain. Here you just see the last link means this one is not connected to the base. Is it connected to the base?
No, sir.
No. So it is singular link. It is not connected to the base.
Okay, sir.
So that is why it is open kinematic chain. It is open. It is not connected to the base. But other slider can mechanism,
even,
last link is again connected to the first link. But here last link is not connected to the first link or the base link. It is open. That it is connected to only its previous link. That means it is singular link. Last link is a singular link.
Sir, for slider crank mechanism, can you explain please the kinematic link once again? Because I didn't understand that time properly.
1 second you tell.
Yes.
At a time one.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, please explain the kinematic linkage for the slider crank mechanism because last time I didn't understand properly.
So this is the slider crank mechanism, no? You just see. This is the slider crank mechanism, or you can see here the with animation. It will be more clear. See, now tell me what is your problem. In slider crank mechanism, there are the fixed link. What is called? It is S color. This is the fixed link base. Now first movable link, that means crank. That means this one crank. No, it's rotating one, crank one. So this is link number 2. Then link number 3 is connecting rod. Link number 3 is connecting rod. This is called the crank. This is called the crank. This is called the connecting rod.
yes, sir.
And this one is called the piston or the slider. The slide, like this one, this black color. This is slider, no slide. Over which slide? That means with the fixed link over which this is slide. Now see how many links? 4 links. Fixed link number 1. Crank is the link number 2, connecting rod is the link number 3, slider is the link number 4. The total number of links is 4. The total number of pairs or total number of joints, how many? 4. Because in between 1 and 2, rotary joint, this is the arc type joint, rotary, revolute. In between 2 and 3, again revolute. In between 3 and 4, you see here also rotation is there, otherwise when it will slide, it will break. So one rotary revolute joint you have to give in between 3 and the 4, and in between 4, this is the slider, 4 and 1, in between 4 and 1, see in between this one and the S color shade one, there is a prismatic joint P or the sliding joint. So how many joints? 4 joints. 4 pair R, 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 P. Okay. Why it is closed? You just all are binary links. Link number 2 is the binary. It is connected to link number 1 and link number 3. Link number 3 is also binary because it is connected to link number 2 as well as the link number 4. Now link number 4 is also binary because it is connected to link number 3 as well as the link number 1. Link number 1 is also binary because link number 1 is connected to link number 2 as well as the link number 4. So all 4 links are binary.
Sir,
Which one?
sir, what is the basic difference of rotating link and spherical link? I couldn't understand that. Sir,
In case of a revolute joint or the rotating rotary joint, it will rotate about only one axis, that is the axis perpendicular to the plane over which links are lying. Clear? You take your two cell phone or something like that, one overlap with the other, and you rotate one with respect to another. Clear? Now rotation, you just see, rotation has been taking place with respect to one axis. You see, in this case,
only a single axis, and there are three axes.
There are three axes. If you rotate about x, about y, three mutually perpendicular axes it will rotate. In case of spherical joint.
Acha, got it. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, do vehicles also have open chain mechanism? Because wheels are only connected to the one joint, means the axle.
Which one?
Vehicles. Do vehicles also have an open chain mechanism? Because the wheels are connected only to the axle.
A vehicle consists of more than 1,000 mechanisms inside. A vehicle is not a single mechanism. A automobile is not. Automobile is a machine. I'll talk to that thing in the next class. It consists of thousands of mechanisms inside.
Yes, sir.
So that is why some mechanisms are closed chain mechanisms, some may be open chain. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So thank you. I'd like to stop here. And next class I will inform through WhatsApp. I'll tell you when I will take the